Real life chase.
This is what's new. I used to have this piston cup racer a long time ago. Now I don't even have this guy anymore. Let me see what's in the back. Now I'm just gonna see. Ah! Well, I'm just showing you guys. I'm actually gonna buy them. And don't ask me why. Let me see. This meter.
I like pigs.
What the? Ah! Get out of here. This is not your section. I really want to get this piston cup racer.
Psst. Psst.
What?
Buy me. Come on, help me.
No way, man.
Help
My
a man
channel's
out.
about cars,
Help
not
a man
random
out. Come on,
stuff.
help me. Dude, they're gonna get rid of me because I'm not popular in Roblox anymore.
Okay, bye.